All right, so now here's where it becomes a little bit different, all right, because it needs to have the exponential term or the logarithmic term isolated. And that means the term with the exponent needs to be by itself on one side, or else this won't work. So I need to change this into y. So y equals 3 to the x plus 7. All right. I physically change the location of the x and y. Sorry, I'm thinking as I'm working here. Okay. Then, actually, you know what? I don't want to do it that way. We're going to back up. You can do it either way. I'm going to isolate it right now. So minus 7, y minus 7 equals 3 to the x. It really doesn't matter if you do it this way, but this makes more sense to me personally. All right, so I isolate it. Then I physically change the location of the x and y. All right. And I like to do it this way because after I physically change the location, then I change the form. All right. So then I change the form and it keeps me in the same same order of everything. So log, the 3 is the base. All right. And then this is where I have to be careful. The exponent is y, so it becomes the answer. X minus 7 needs to go in parentheses to hold it together because the answer is what I take the logarithm of. All right. And you'll see some other things as we go down through here that'll look a little bit different, but you have to make sure that you use that same form, and it's not always going to be a single letter or a single number. Sometimes it might be two things multiplied together. In this case, it's a couple of things subtracted. All right, and then if you look at your equations here, the signs are going to be a little tiny bit different. All right, this has a plus in it up in the original equation. This has a minus in it. So we have to be careful, and the key is to make sure that you isolate this term before you do any of the converting it into the logarithm, switching the x and the y and things like that.